There are a few places you can start with the J6, and one of the places I really like to start is by, instead of pressing play, just exploring these three buttons on the right hand side. So the first idea is I will turn on the chord, hold, and on buttons, and this gives me a space to experiment and ideate with the various styles and variations. Essentially what's happening is I'm turning on the chord button, so every time I play I will get a chord. And I'm turning on the hold button so that when I play it will just sustain that note and chord. And that sustain will just continue until I either change chord or stop chord. So that's chord on and hold on. If I turn on, this is essentially activating the variation and style controls. So the first place to start here is to scroll it back to 1.1, and then I can go through each of the styles and variations and see what I hear and see what I like. We use an oral process here. So I'm going to go through the variations first. So I'll turn on a key so it starts sustaining and I can hear what it sounds like. So we have this ascending arpeggio, number 2. 1.2 that is. Ascending and descending arpeggio, 1.3. A descending arpeggio. A descending arpeggio with an octave jump. Ascending and descending with the octave jump. So you can go through each variation and find something you like. And once you've gone through all of the variations in style number 1, you can then change to style number 2, scroll back to 2.1 and do the same thing. And I would do this to really get to know this instrument in quite an intimate way. And this gives you access to understanding all of the different rhythms and arpeggios that exist. If you do the maths, we've got 9 styles and 12 variations in each. So 108 styles and variations within this instrument. It's pretty amazing. So first step, go and explore your styles and variations with chord, hold, and on.